Namaskar. Welcome to Vandana's art classes. Today we are learning resin art. So it's basically a demonstration which I will give you, and you all can see and learn. And I'm sure you will make very beautiful things. I'll be making the posters, and then later on the poster, I want to put the tea light holder. We can use it as a tea light holder for Diwali. So let's start. So we need electronic weighing machine. This is my weighing machine. First thing, we have to wear the gloves because resin can stick to our hands, and better to remove all the jewelry, anything which can get any harm. We need some plastic glasses. We need wooden spoons, and this is dry resin, so it won't affect at all. Okay, we need some wooden spoons to mix. I'm using two types of resins today. This is epoxy resin. We get it easily in Singapore. I've kept it in a plastic so that it won't stick to my hand. This is epoxy resin part B, and this is epoxy resin part A. In India also we get art epoxy, epoch we get in India. Okay, and many other companies are also making. In this, by weight, we have to take 3 parts of this and 1 part of this. Weight should be perfectly equal, not even milligram mistake, because that will also cause a problem. So I'm just putting it back into plastic so that although I'm wearing gloves, but it should not get destroyed. Okay, so along with this, we need resin colors. Different brands are available. These are Epoch. I found them very good quality. Epoch resin art pigments. This is Castin. This is Hexens. It depends on what is available in your country. Every resin has some time for which we have to mix. Okay, so instructions are very important, and we have to read the instructions carefully for every type of resin. So this is an ordinary kitchen weighing machine. I'm going to start. We'll place a glass on it, plastic glass, and we'll see the weight is 3 milligram. 3 milligram is the weight. Now it has come back to 0. So initially I am keeping the glass in the center, and 20 I will take. 20 ml. Now 3 times of 20 is 60. So I'll take 60 mg of this. 20 mg of one part B, and 60 mg of part A. So total should be 80. And I will mix it at least 6-7 minutes. Take a dry cloth and wipe it. Please don't use water to clean the molds, because water and resin are enemies. So I poured gold, and I poured red color, and I'm mixing. So as you can see, this is red plus glitter, and in this I'm going to mix white. This is white. These three are done, and I can't move them.
We will not touch these coasters with wet resin for 24 hours. And after 24 hours, when I remove them from the silicone base, we can see they are looking so beautiful. Now I will take a ragmal or any sandpaper and clean the ends of the coaster so that they are smooth. Now look at them, they are looking so beautiful. You can even put tea lights on them and use them as a tea light holder.
I hope you like my tutorial. Thank you for liking, subscribing, and sharing the information about my YouTube channel with your family and friends. Dhanyavad. Namaste.